Hi guys, it's your boy Zayan's Gaming Channel. Today we are gonna start a brand new video in Minecraft. Today we are recreating dreams clutches in Minecraft in her manhunts. So we're gonna make them. If I will have one life to do the clutch. If I don't do it, then I will. Oh my god, this is the hardest. This is the toughest thing I ever done. So I will do is I will post a video. I will post a video that me washing the dishes. Yeah, yeah, but let's make it flat, of course. Of course, we're gonna make it flat. First, let's go it to peaceful for no mobs. Yeah, we are gonna make it advanced flat world. Yeah, top. And let me six chunks, multiplayer cheats. Yeah, we're gonna open the cheats and not keep inventory. Open cheats. Always the. Let's create the world. This will be a temporary world and I think I will delete it, but we I don't know. So it's still loading, guys. So before we start the clutch, please like and subscribe and click on the notification button. Yeah. If I don't do this, then I'm stupid. Yeah. Yeah. So, I don't know. This will be a 5 minute, 10 minute video. I don't know. So, thank you guys for the views of my Blocks Fruit videos. Thank you. Thank you for giving me a blessing in my channel for having 69, 68, 67. I don't know. So, ano. So, before we continue, thank you for your support. So, bro, I thought there's no mob. It's peaceful, brother. Oh yeah, even I made the buttons. Okay, let me dig. Let me dig. Yeah, so we're gonna put lava. Where's lava? We need boats. Yes, that's we're doing first. We need boat. Oak, 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 oak. For we are sure we're gonna do this. Then we need lava. Yeah, guys, this will be my hardest challenge. I will do the chores if I didn't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why am I crouch? Oh my god. Okay, I think the length is perfect enough. I think. Nah. Nah, Sunny. Is this perfect, guys? I don't know. Nah, we have both. Another. A last dig up. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Bro, I'm so scared. Bro. No. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Um, I don't think I'm gonna make it. If I'm gonna make it, this will be the best year or the best month. Okay, let's take the bucket. Get some buckets. Let me take. Why wood? We need cobblestone, bro. Cobblestone. Let's delete this guy. Okay, I'm ready, guys. So this is a boat clutch by Dream. Let's turn on the survival mode. Let us see if this absolutely will work. Bro, before. Okay, guys. Before I do this clutch. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, bro. I got scared. What? Bro, what's happening? Oh, I need to jump. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Bro, I need to make a platform first. Oh, bro. Yeah, no, no. Oh, yeah. Yeah, if I don't do this, I'm dope. Creative. I will do chores, bruh. I'll do the chores 100%. Talking real shit. Noi noi na stay. Go go. Bro, I'm on Android. Bro, this will be hard. Yeah, Android. It's so hard to do clutches on Android. I'm talking real. Bro, why it's so hard? 3, 2, 1. Go! I died. Oh no 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 no. No, I died. Respawn. Oh, bro, this is not even. Moi last thing. Let me try another one. Another one. What? Where's cobblestone? Oh, I don't have a pickaxe. Yeah, I'm stupid. I'm stupid as hell. Wait, let me go to creative. Bro, you're my. These are the people. You, you are all fans, bro. All of you, all of you are my fans. Please do not unsubscribe if I don't do the objective. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Fudge. Oh, I cannot do the keep inventory, bro. Okay, guys. So it's really hard. I think I'm gonna quit, but I will not quit until I get this. Okay, I'm ready. Let me play some poo poo. Getty dong, hold on. Go! Okay, I died. Ag- again and again and again and I died and I died. Why am I dying? Wait, let me just multiplayer chat. Someone how to play. Bro, why? Why did I pick how to play? What's you shut up? Settings. Getty dong. I know. Yes. Keep 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 inventory. Uh show coordinates. Yes. Bro, I'm still on survival. Mm, mm, mm. Noi, we not stay. Let me get about 300 boats. Okay, guys, so I don't know if I can do this or not. Okay, let's play. Okay. Guys, please like and subscribe if I can do this. Yeah, please like and sub And please like and subscribe if I can do this. I can do this. I know I can do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Go, why it's so late? Oh my god. Go. Oh my god, guys, I did it. Oh my god. Go. Yay! No, no. I was so close. Bro, I was so close. Bro, what am I doing? 3, 2, 1, go. Go! I died again, my god. I must keep dying and dying and dying. Oh, let me try. 3, 2, 1, go. Why am I late for this? Bro, I keep dying and I keep dying. Go! Bro, why? Bro, you worked on... Bro. Okay, so the next objective is if I have 1 life, right? You know? Good eye! Bro, I'm almost. Bro, let's just finish this. If I can... Okay, guys, if you don't know, this is how much block. This, let me make a jump block. Okay. Longest jump. Bro, I cannot attempt the longest jump. Let me first make a platform. Wait, you... No, you cannot. No, yeah, you cannot. Yeah, there's 0 chances of... What? Oh boy, when I stayed. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, I made it, bro. I made it. Oh my god, I made it. You want me to do it again? Yeah, I made it, right? I made it, bro. It's so easy, bro. You know, I made it. See, you see? Oh, hey! Oh, bitch! I'm dying! Bro, I died. Boom, boom, boom. Moy. Matur. Oh my god, I made it. Get it, oh, get it. No, I died, bruh. Oh my god. Okay, let me do this trick. I don't know if someone did this, so go. Get it, oh, get it, oh, korore. Someone actually chats. Bro, get out. Uh, jump, board. I don't know if you can. Come on, bitch. Come on, let's go. Bruh. I'm dying. No! I died and good morning and good night. What the hell is happening? Oh yeah, guys, so now look at this. Oh, now look at this. Yo, that's a little bit, bruh. Now look at this. Hey, bro, I made it. Bro. I'm dying, bruh. I'm dying. Arr! What do I think of the screen? Look like shit. Noi, minasty. Let's do some couple of jumps. Get out of the way. Bam! Son, I'm dead, son, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm full on hunger, bro. This is peaceful. Let me kill a mama sheep. Mama sheep, hello. Die. I said die. I said die. I said die. So today, our dream, yeah, doesn't work. No! 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 Let me live! Let me live. Let me live an honest life. You know. Okay. Bruh, 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 bruh. Okay. Let me try again. Okay, so I think gonna do it last time. Let me do the 360 backflip, 360 black flip. What the fuck? Yay! Let's save and quit and goodbye guys. Please like and subscribe to show support on my YouTube channel. Bye.